Hi, my name is Josh Baer, and I want to tell you a little bit about Longhorn Startup. Longhorn Startup is the next evolution of onesemesterstartup.com, and you can find it at longhornstartup.com. And what it is a program for undergraduate entrepreneurs across any school at the University of Texas to help you connect with the entrepreneurship community, and if you have a startup, to help get it moving forward. What we're doing differently this year is we've actually split the class into 3 different parts. The first part is called the Longhorn Startup Seminar, and this is a weekly lecture series for anybody at the university to plug in and be able to connect with inspiring entrepreneurs, to hear their story, to learn about how they accomplished what they did and got their company started, and also to learn some great kind of tactical skills that will help you with your startup. And that's a great entry point for anybody interested in entrepreneurship at the University of Texas. In addition to that, we have the Longhorn Startup Lab, and this is an extension of the one semester startup class from last semester. And these are for actual startup companies. You apply as a company, not as an individual. And in order to be ready for this class, this lab, you want to have a startup that's already formed. You should have some kind of a minimum viable product, some kind of working thing that you have a couple people, 1 or 2 people are using, and maybe even 1 or 2 paying customers. And what's really great about this is it gets you course credit for graduation to spend time working on your startup, and also connects you with mentors from the industry, from the city, from other places, to help you move things faster and really kind of help you along. And the mentoring is one of the most important parts. In addition, everybody in the lab takes part in the seminar, so they attend all the same lectures and speaker series, and many times when there's a presentation at the seminar, we'll use the lab companies as examples. And then finally, the third component of Longhorn Startup is a Longhorn Startup Studio, which is a program that Bob Metcalf is running focused on professors with their own technology and spinning that out. So we have these 3 components: the seminar, the lab, and the studio. The seminar and the lab are for undergraduate entrepreneurs, and the studio is for professors. The class is taught by myself, Bob Metcalf, professor of innovation and from the Cockrell School, and also Ben Dyer, founder of Peachtree Software. And we've just brought together all these amazing other people from Austin and from around the world to help these startups, to help them move along. And so each startup in the lab gets matched with 2 or 3 other specific mentors that are really going to dig in with them and help them more. So we're really excited about this next evolution of the class. We hope that you'll go take a look for it and register. Anyone will be able to register for the seminar, and that should be in the course catalog soon. And then for the lab, you have to apply, and we review those applications on a rolling basis, and we'll notify you by the end of the semester. So to find out more, go to longhornstartup.com and put your email address in. We'll be sending out a lot more info soon. You can also follow Longhorn Startup on Twitter. Thanks very much. I hope that you participate and decide to take the class. If you have any questions, you can send them. You can submit them from the website. You can reach me on Twitter at Joshua Baer, or you can email me joshua.baer@austin.utexas.edu, and Baer is spelled B-A-E-R. You can also look for Bob Metcalf anywhere on campus. He's at lots of different events and is a great resource to ask questions for. So hope this was helpful. Looking forward to talking about the class, and maybe I'll see you next semester.